conspiracy guy. Second was in the early 1970s, a pilot by the name of Bob, who was a demonstration pilot for American aviation. He used to be the pace safety pilot at Reno with his T-51 Mustang named Old Yeller. There's some wonderful demonstrating a Bronco 1972 exhibition at Airshow. This one comes to us from the Bronco. And as you can see, as it may seem for an aircraft of this configuration, it's fully aerobatic. And that's because this aeroplane had to be and again, the US Air Force in July 1968, time to carry both the US Air Force and the EU. And they were flown on all sorts of duties. Observation sorties, they acted as directing strikes by fast jet attack aircraft, but they could also carry out strikes of their damage assessment and escort of the C-123 provider transports to some of the very controversial Operation Branch Hand.
Well, they're giving a bit of contrast at the moment, aren't they?
Some used by the US Air Force even received early examples of late designation equipment.
I think it's great.
Much later, the US Marine Corps used them in Operation Desert Storm, the 1991 Gulf War. But by then, it was becoming increasingly vulnerable, and the US Air Force opted out of flying its Broncos during Desert Storm for that reason. Yes, sounds
This is the black blob with the mic.
A couple of them upgraded OV-10 Plus models very short. This aircraft needed. We're about to see them.